Hello, my name is Karen King. Our Whitsett meditation for today is the light of strength. Spiritual strength is our capacity to stand undaunted in the midst of shifting circumstances, to act courageously, and to stay the course. Paying attention to the breath, and connecting with the power of strength in your body. Begin by standing. Stand tall, with your feet positioned shoulder width apart. Lift your shoulders, press them back, and drop them down. Tuck your chin slightly, pressing the crown of your head up as if to hold up the ceiling. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. Continue the breath for a few moments. Hold the posture while softening your stance. And just a few more times. Breathe in, hold, and breathe out. Center your attention on the small of your back, the center of the spiritual power of strength. Here converge strong bones, flexible ligaments and tendons, large muscles, and highly sensitive nerves. The small of the back is designed to be incredibly strong, protecting delicate nerve roots, yet highly flexible, providing for mobility. And now shine the light of verdant spring green throughout the area where your back curves at the waistline. Shine the light throughout the abdominal cavity, out to embrace your body, out beyond your body, spreading across the earth like the invisible kingdom of the heavens. And sitting, think on these words. I am divine strength. I am spiritual strength. I concentrate on the truth idea and gradually go deeper into silence, the wordless state of deep meditation. And now, when you're ready, allow my words to be your words. Divine strength is my spiritual name and nature. I am strong, stable, and steadfast in body, mind, and spirit. I am the power of standability, anchored to the shore while the winds of change swirl around me. I am centered in truth during times of instability. I am rooted to God, my source of strength. By spiritual thought, by spiritual strength, I am confident, courageous, and determined. I am faithful to the truth I know. I am responsive from my position of spiritual strength. I claim these divine attributes trusting they are part of the intelligence within the very cells of my body. This strength manifests throughout every dimension of my being. I appreciate my limitless power to stay strong in all circumstances. I am spiritual strength, stable, courageous, and tenacious. And I go forth to shine my light. And so it is.